everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Monday. And what we're going to do is jump into the Bitcoin price. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a holiday today, and, Bitcoin and banks are closed, but Bitcoin is never closed. So what we're going to do right now is jump into the Bitcoin price. Hope you had a good Father's Day yesterday. I also just released the pre-orders. So if you want to, I'll leave a link down in the description. My new book called Bitcoin Dad, Fiat Dad is on the way. So if you want to pre-order, I'll go ahead and leave that link below. Make sure you support. And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. I got my frequencies on. That's what you hear in the background. I'll turn that down a little bit. And I got my lock on. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to jump into the hourly chart first. As you can see here, let me turn off these indicators. Okay, cool. All right, so as you can see here, on the hourly chart, it's looking like we have found support here at 26.3. 60. We have another support at 26.259. So as long as we are above 25,000, we're good. Looks like we are starting to, turn up. Let's look at market cipher. We do have a red dot on market cipher. However, money flow is blue, aka green. But we do have VWAP pointing down, momentum wave pointing down, red dot as well. RSI, stochastic RSI, both look like they're pointing down. So it looks like we can get a pullback here unless we do something like this. But we shall see how that turns out. Let's go ahead and move to the next time frame. But this candle is green. Jump to the 4-hour chart here, you guys. 4-hour chart looks good because we have VWAP pointing up. Momentum was coming down, but it looks like it's getting ready to come back up. So that's good on the 4-hour chart. And let's see, VWAP pointed up. We have money flow coming down into the red, not looking good, but that could always change. So we'll see how that goes. Money flow was green, aka blue in this situation, or on this chart. But as we can see here, money flow is starting to turn into the red. So that's not looking good on the 4-hour chart. But that could always change, especially since we see VWAP headed up. Let's see, we have RSI, stochastic RSI. Both of these were headed down. Looks like we have a little bit of a turn up, but we'll see. Still looking kind of sideways right now. We'll see how that plays out as well. All right, let's jump down to the daily chart. Daily chart, we have VWAP pointing down, which is the orange line. We have money flow moving up, which is great. We have momentum moving up, which is great. And then looks like we have a bullish divergence here, which I've mentioned in previous videos as well. Boom. So this is great news on the daily. Bullish divergence on the daily, which is great. And then RSI, stochastic RSI, which are these two here. Yellow, not yellow, but the green and purple. Green and purple lines. They are looking like they're also sideways, but they look like they're trying to head down as well. So VWAP headed down, RSI, stochastic RSI headed down. However, money flow and momentum is pointing up. So we'll see how that goes. And then let's look at the chart here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago we were down. 5 days ago we were starting to pump. So that's good. We're still below these ribbons on the daily. And I do have alerts set for when we do get above these levels, so I'll leave those alerts there. Let's jump down to the 4 hour. I don't know if I looked at the chart on the 4 hour. We have this resistance here above, which is where I have an alert at. But this looks kind of flaggy. Let's turn off the I don't think I can find it on here. Session break. Okay, cool. I like to keep order blocks on because then I can see, you know, where the buys are and the sells are. So now we're looking at the 4 hour, and right now, like I said, it looks like we're flagging. All right, so that lines perfectly up with the next order block, 27,000. So we'll see how that plays out. That is the target that I do have. If we do pop out of this flag, if we don't pop out of this flag and we continue to go down, then, you know, we can come back down to 25.5. And we have support here at 25.5 to 25.6. So I'll leave another alert there as well, just in case we come down. And then let's look at the daily one more time. So this would be a falling wedge. So this is also a bullish breakdown, a bullish pattern. But we shall see how this plays out. Again, if we lose 25,000, then it is invalidated. Bitcoin likes to do, you know, likes to invalidate and then fake everybody out and then go up. Or Bitcoin could just go up, retest, and then go up. So we'll see how this plays out. Don't know how it is going to play out. We just got to be prepared and just make sure you stack sats. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com /Bitcoin Chris. Get your 10 bucks free Bitcoin. All right. Make sure you set up your auto DCA and just make sure that you are accumulating while you can. Every dip, we know we buy dips. Dips are for buying, not for crying. So make sure you get signed up for Swan and get your 10 bucks free Bitcoin. Make sure you go to bitcoinflags.shop if you guys want a Bitcoin flag. Represent your your beliefs, right? So shout out to the bitcoinflags.shop. Also, again, I just released the pre-orders for Bitcoin Dad, Fiat Dad. So if you want to join the waiting list, that link will be down below. And make sure you guys get your pre-orders now. It will be out soon. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Chris9407. Make sure you guys check out the Sun Exchange. Link will be down below. Turn sunlight into Bitcoin passively. And make sure you check out FOMO21.com. Also link down below. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. If you guys want to trade, I'll leave the link to BingX down below. Be careful. Don't over leverage. If you are going to trade, use the link below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bitcoin Chris checking out. Peace. Happy Monday.